Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your phone supports eSIM technology, activating service without using a physical SIM card can make setup faster and more convenient. When activating an eSIM on Assurance Wireless, you will typically need a compatible device, an active account, and the activation information provided by the carrier. While the process is usually straightforward, missing a step can delay activation or prevent the phone from connecting to the network properly. The good part is that most eSIM activations only take a few minutes when everything is ready. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic steps to activate an eSIM on Assurance Wireless. Try these. Step 1. Confirm the Assurance Wireless phone supports eSIM. Step 2. Gather activation details for the Assurance Wireless phone. Step 3. Connect the Assurance Wireless phone to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Open eSIM settings on the Assurance Wireless phone. Step 5. Add the eSIM profile to the Assurance Wireless phone. Step 6. Verify network service on the Assurance Wireless phone.